If you drive an EV, this might be the simplest tyre decision you ever make. The 2026 all-new Michelin Primacy 5 Energy is Michelin's latest efficiency-focused touring tyre, replacing the e.Primacy, and it directly fixes the weakness that matter most. In Michelin's AAA tested results, the Primacy 5 Energy delivers 28 to 40% longer mileage than key rivals like the Bridgestone Turanza 6, the Continental Premium Contact 7, and the Goodyear Efficient Grip Performance 2. For EVs, where high torque and stop-start driving accelerate wear, that's a real-world advantage. Second, wet safety, the e.Primacy's biggest limitation. The Primacy 5 Energy improves wet braking by 10%, directly addressing what held previous tyre back in independent testing. This isn't a marginal gain, it's a meaningful safety upgrade. Third, comfort and noise. The interior noise and comfort improved by 5%, supported by an A-rated EU noise label, making it quieter than every major rival in the segment. Now, the key takeaway when comparing the EU label data against its main rivals in the 225/45 R18, the Primacy 5 Energy is the only tyre with the A-rated rolling resistance, while also combining A-rated wet grip and also A-rated noise level, meaning it maximizes EV battery mileage without sacrificing safety or comfort. Even pricing stays sensible. In the 215/55 R17, it's just 3% more expensive than the outgoing e.Primacy. From my perspective as a tyre engineer, this is exactly what most EV drivers actually need. Maximum range, strong wet safety, low noise, and everyday comfort, all operating at a higher level at the same time. For everyday EV use, the Michelin Primacy 5 Energy isn't just efficient, it's about as close as you get to a true one-tyre solution.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.